on our evening, friend.
So, to start the process, you have to move the oil cap, the engine shield, top engine shield, and your two intake and exhaust sensors are be on the passenger side, close to the either the fourth or the first coil pack. Once you make it towards that way, you have two connectors. You have the two sensors right there, intake and exhaust. It's fairly simple. Get a 10mm, get a socket in like I use a Porter cable drill with a 10mm, and it's 2 bolts. It's very simple and fairly easy. So it was a quick fix. Intake and exhaust, actuator, sealanoids. So thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. I leave instructions down below in the comments, and next time you do this job, it should be easy. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.